Hello, my name is Aayushi. I am pursuing my graduation in electrical engineering from Delhi Technological University. Sprint 1. After knowing about the problem statements, the algorithm problem caught my attention and I chose to build a recommendation engine. So I searched about how does a recommendation engine work, how can I implement it, and went through some of the algorithms. Now, as I am a bibliophile, I decided on building a book recommendation system. For me, Project Gutenberg has been a very handy book reading source. It is a library of over 60,000 free ebooks. I downloaded a CSV spreadsheet of ebook metadata from here as my dataset. The prototyping is done using Google Colab, and since there were many incomplete and distorted entries in the dataset, I also did the sanitization for the same. I decided on developing my engine on cosine similarity algorithm, which is a metric used to measure how similar two items are. After all the research, here is my tech stack I fixated on. Sprint 2. In this week, I built the recommendation engine using Flask and deployed it on Heroku, and I started the work on frontend using React. Here is an output of my recommendation engine on Postman. ID is the book ID in the dataset, size is the number of predictions required, and the output shows the respective book IDs with their cosine similarities. For the final week, I completed the work on front end and deployed it on GitHub pages, done the manual testing and some UI fixes. Let's see the demo of the web application. When you first visit this URL, you will be redirected to the home page of the application, where you can find the popular books available on the Project Gutenberg. On the top right hand corner, you will see Login with Google button. You will be redirected to a Google sign-in page where you can select your ID, and after you log in, you are redirected to a profile section where you can select three or more than three genres of your preference and click on Save to continue. On getting back to the dashboard, you can see a recommended for you section which contains the books on your preferred genres. When you click on the read button, you can actually read the book on the Gutenberg site. You can also add some books to your read later section where you want to read the books some other time, and you can find them here in the read later box. You can also check your history on going the history page. After you have visited few books, the application uses collaborative recommendation to recommend books on the basis of your reading history and preferred genres. Another feature of this application is that on top right hand corner, when you click on this button, it gives you the movies based on books, in which you can either read the book or get the IMDb info about the movie based on that same. So I hope this application will help you find your next ebook on Project Gutenberg. Thank you.